I'm eating gumbo, enjoying gumbo.
Is it good gumbo?
Great gumbo.
And what kind of gumbo will you eat?
Seafood gumbo from the garage.
Is it good gumbo?
It's the best I've had so far. Comes with a hush puppy too. Very good, delicious.
All right.
Try the best and have the rest. You know the section's hanging around our booth.
And we're having a wonderful time here at the Gumbo Gala. This is my first year, and believe me, we will be back. Thank you. Sweet tea. Go under.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
What do you put in it?
Love. And a few spices. That's it. The Ruologist.
I like the shrimp and the crawfish in it.
I like the crawfish, definitely.
He said he put a lot of love in it.
Oh, he did. It's really good.
Seafood, we have shrimp and crab meat and what else do we have in it? Sausage, andouille sausage.
This is a bread pudding with whiskey sauce.
Well, we have praline pecan shortbread, caramel nut chocolate chip bars, vanilla pound cake, cream cheese brownies, banana chocolate chip bars, and toffee brownies, and chicken and sausage gumbo.
I have chicken, Louisiana andouille, and Louisiana hot sausage. The andouille and the hot sausage, and all the love that goes in it.
You want to know the secret recipe? I don't know that we can reveal
the
that.
secret to this one was a very well executed roux.
Hey, gumbo's great. I've already picked about 6 different favorites, so I got to go back and revisit, make sure and eat again, maybe another time too, just to make sure my choice was correct and palate has been absolutely satisfied.
Sausage, tomatoes, corn. It's good. Yeah.
The gumbo is good. It has a tomato base to it, and it's real chicken. It's great.
Well, I think this is a fabulous event. It helps Episcopal Place, and everybody has a good time while they're doing it. So this is the way to do a fundraiser. Let everybody have a good time. Fill them up with food and make them happy.
I really have. It was really nice to interact and spend time with others as we enjoy a good Southern favorite, good gumbo. So it was a really great event and really fun and interesting to be at.
Hi, how you doing?
And there.
How about yourself?
Talking about seafood gumbo with andouille sausage, fresh from the bay. It's really tasty. We're supporting Trinity Commons. I would dress like this every day if I could.
I'm with St. Martin's in the Pines. We're the Roosters. So we actually have been ringing chickens in a basket for kids to win prizes. We've got rooster wings and gumbo over there.
Gates have been closed. People coming in, so congratulate yourself for being a part of the market over here. We've got the Kids Zone over there. The Kids Zone is sponsored by Medplex Pediatric.
Let's see, there's some sausage and shrimp, and it's a lighter roux than normal, I believe. Our cook calls it a blonde.
We've got Cathedral Church.
There's a lot of great stuff going on in this town right now. It is back to the stage, rolling in the hay.
We had smoked rabbit, andouille sausage, and regular beef smoked sausage in the gumbo.
This gumbo won Bulgaria's Got Talent.
This gumbo hit 351 in the minors before it threw out its knee.
Old McDonald had this gumbo, G-U-M-B-O.
This gumbo took me out for a nice lobster dinner, then never called me again.
Mark Zuckerberg likes this gumbo.
Mark Zuckerberg is friends with the founder of LinkedIn on MySpace with this gumbo.
I did. About 7 or 8 tables. Really good. I don't know that I'm going to vote, but really, really good gumbo.
Did you eat gumbo, Adrian?
Did you eat some gumbo, champ? No. He said, no, I had ice cream.
We're dressed as crawfish for the Episcopal Place.
It's fun. Really
It's
fun.
hot, but it's okay because this is the most important thing you can ever do. Spend time with what you can do to help other people.
Absolutely.
Attendee, yes. We're slowing down for the moment. We've gone through about 12 apiece.
I'm not from the South, I'm from the North, and I've always heard about gumbo down in the South, so I thought I'd come to the Gumbo Gala and try a bunch of different kinds.
We really appreciate the cook teams because it's really hard to have a competition of cooking gumbo without people to actually cook it. So thank you for being here.